Marcus Aurelius lost his wife in 175 AD, somewhere on the edge of the empire, far from home. And what he did next tells you everything about a man who spent 30 years writing about letting go. He deified her, built temples in her name, renamed a city after her, created a charity for orphaned girls and called it by her name. He asked the Senate for every honor Rome could give a dead woman. He did all of this quietly, without explanation. And in the Meditations, the private journal he kept for no one, he barely mentions her at all. This is the man who wrote that we must not cling to things beyond our control. That loss is natural, that nothing external can touch the soul. He believed every word of it, and he still built her a city. Because amor fati does not mean you feel nothing. It means you carry your love forward into what you do, into what you build, into what you leave behind. The question is this: what does your grief quietly build?